Hi everyone, it's Tony Patterson, Chief Executive of Clean Planet, and I'm absolutely thrilled to announce a new initiative regarding the packaging of our Clean Planet cleaning products. Clean Planet has developed its own range of cleaning products. They're our own formulations and many have specific environmental and health accreditations. Every month we ship these products out to approximately 250 franchisees right across the country. The packaging is made from recycled and recyclable material, but the journey from our warehouse is one way. We encourage recycling, of course, but we can't be certain that this occurs in all cases. Well, that's about to change. We will now attach a return freight label to every package. Our transport partner, Post Haste, will ensure that when empty, each package can be picked up and returned to our product manufacturer, AWS Group, for reuse and refilling, starting the cycle again. One more step on our zero waste journey.